Hello dear friends, I'm with you again. Let's take a look at what is happening with the crypto market right now. Let's take a look at what is happening with the altcoins, what is happening with Bitcoin and what we can expect in the future. Let's get straight to the point without further ado and review all the coins we talked about in the last video, and also look at the market to see if there is anything new and interesting. If we pay attention to the Bitcoin chart, we can see that today there was a small drop, and yes, we all felt this downward movement, but no one could have expected it to be so fast. Let's see what is going on. Here in the previous times, after we saw a sharp rapid rise, we noticed exactly the same rapid fall down. We can see it here, again here, and now we repeated the same scenario, but this time the rise was not as big as the previous time. After such a fall, we should all realize that now the price will start to recover again. We can already notice on the 4-hour chart that we have a small candle. Most likely it will be small, but at the time it will help to strengthen the Bitcoin price. If we look at all the candles in more detail, we can see that the market is not stable and confident. Let's not panic and think that we are going down. On the contrary, banking this chart, if we reach the lower support zone, we'll probably make a rebound and go up as it was before. Ethereum coin we have today, as well as other small price correction. In any case, as I said earlier, we must realize that globally coins are in a difficult position of their prices. It is from such buying points that you can earn a couple of tens or hundreds of % on the growth of altcoins. There is still no need to panic. The worst case scenario that is possible in the near future is a fall to the support zone at $3,300. Look at this area. You can see there is an ascending triangle which shows us that if we stay within the range of this triangle, we can safely go into a big plus after it closes. I assume that its movement will be about the same as its beginning. Perhaps the fall will last a little while, but after it we will see the same rapid growth to the same marks in the range of $3,620. The targets are still the same and marked on your screen with yellow lines. The first target is in the zone of $3,620. Then the second target is at $3,720 and the third target is $3,880. Since I bought Litecoin, it has shown a little bit of growth, but I think this is not the end, and in the near future it will show a very rapid growth and successfully close the ascending triangle that you can see on the screen. The first target is at $76 and the second target is at $78.20, and further targets are marked in yellow color, which will be reached but a little later. They are at $80, then $82.40, then $87.40 and last $88.30. I repeat that I am waiting for all these targets to be worked out, and by no means I am not selling all my assets, I am distributing the sale partially. You have green and red arrows on the screen, which are responsible for buying the coin and also partial selling at different marks. These are signals that are applicable on the futures and also possible on spot. Next we will look at OSMO coin. So far the first coin close target has been successfully closed exactly on the chart I drew on my Twitter. Be vigilant and use not too much leverage for the trade. Still I have marked with arrows the places where it is possible to buy and sell the coin, as well as opening and closing trades. The ARKM coin made us very happy today, and since the moment of purchase this coin has already shown by plus 25% growth. And on futures with leverage of 100% and above, you have on your screen the possibility of the scenario of further growth and also signals to open and close orders. The targets are still the same. We have already successfully closed 2 trades. They were at $1.72 and $1.80. I think for this coin these targets will be closed very quickly. Dear friends, there is also a coin Aptos. I have 2 possible scenarios for it. but all of them are calculated bull market. The areas of possible buying and opening trades are marked with green arrows, and the levels of partial selling and closing trades are marked with red arrows on your screen. I expect that if the coin goes down a bit, the support level at $6.65 will help us to push back and go straight up to our expected targets. They are at $7.48, the next one $7.78, and then $8.32. I think this coin is very promising and should be given due consideration against the background of all coins. Thank you all for your watching and for your activity. Follow the market and me on the Twitter and sign up using my referral code for bonuses on exchanges. See you in the next video. Goodbye.